Are you ready to get some seriously long-lasting shine in your tires today? We're using Black Magic Tire Wet Gel to make that happen. This stuff's amazing, keeping your tires looking great for weeks. First, let's make sure your tires are nice and clean, and most importantly, dry. That's your perfect starting point. Now, grab your gel and squeeze them onto a clean, dry sponge. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way with this gel. Next, apply it to the tire sidewall. You can wipe or dab it evenly across the surface. Just make sure you get that even coat all around for the best shine. Let the gel sit and dry for about 30 minutes. This helps it set in properly and minimizes any sling. If you're in a hotter climate, it might dry a bit quicker. And if you want even more gloss, just let the first layer dry, then reapply. Keep going until you get that shine you're dreaming of. No one outshines Black Magic. Thanks again for joining us, and don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Black Magic Shine and share your own tips in the comments.